Don't want to play Chubby Bunny, but my friend Emily didn't have popcorn. I mean marshmallows. They're gonna play with popcorn.
You can't like chew the popcorn or swallow it. You just have to see who can fit the most in their mouth. Are we starting?
Oh, okay.
You go first.
Three.
Yeah, I had a crunch. How many is that? 4. I don't know. I'm gonna sing Chubby Bunny. I can still talk. Can you talk?
Yeah.
Okay. Put it in.
How about we just see how many you can fit in our mouth?
Okay. I lost my count though.
I'm not counting.
I still be able to talk. Oh. I'm doing good.